everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and today we're talking about Gomora Mzansi Magic. It's the new season. We see a lot of changes, but one thing for sure is that it's gonna be good, guys. I really trust the writers, which include Chris Radebe, who wrote Umkhokha, and Patu, who wrote The River. Well guys, this is what you can expect this coming week. So we'll finally find out that Thathi was telling the truth all along about Phumlani, and she will struggle to speak to her as Thathi has closed her family out in her life. Jay, who used to be Phumlani's right-hand man, will shoot Thathi to silence her. On the other hand, guys, or on the other side, Mam Sondo will be trying to solve her problem because she have her problems with Mikey Jr., who wants a revenge after his father's passing. Sondo will also find out who was behind Thathi's shooting, and she will deal with him. Well guys, as I've said, there is a lot of changes on Gomora. Many gangsters are introduced. It's still confusing which direction the story is taking. We have Mam Sondo, we have Thathi, we have Mike Jr., we have a man who used to work for Phumlani. It's still confusing who will be the boss of Gomora. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about your expectations on Gomora. What do you want to see? Bye.